Is your 2009 Jaguar XF's alarm system acting up? You're not alone. Many owners of these vehicles experience recurring alarm issues, especially as the cars age. According to automotive electronics specialists, alarm issues break down into three main categories. 68% are sensor related, 23% involve hood switch problems, and 9% are due to Siren battery failure. Start your diagnosis by considering the symptoms. Is the alarm going off randomly at unexpected times, or does it chirp continuously even when the car is off? These clues help narrow down the source of the problem. For interior sensor issues, start by visually inspecting the sensors. They're typically located on the overhead console and rear parcel shelf. Look for dust accumulation on sensor surfaces and check for any loose wiring connections. The overhead console houses the primary motion sensors. These ultrasonic sensors are sensitive to dust and temperature changes. Clean them with compressed air and check all electrical connections for signs of corrosion or looseness. For the hood switch, look under the hood for signs of corrosion or misalignment with the latch mechanism. A continuously chirping siren usually indicates a failing backup battery in the siren unit, typically located in the engine bay or wheel well area. By following this systematic diagnostic approach, you can identify which component is causing your alarm issues. Once you've pinpointed the problem, you'll be ready to move on to the specific repair procedures. Interior motion sensors are the most common source of false alarms in the 2009 Jaguar XF. These ultrasonic sensors detect movement inside the cabin but can malfunction due to dust accumulation and electrical issues. The first step is cleaning the sensor surfaces with compressed air. Locate the sensors on the overhead console and rear parcel shelf. Then carefully blow away any dust or debris that may be causing false triggers. Next, inspect the wiring connections for corrosion or damage. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, you'll need to replace the faulty sensors using part numbers C2P8246 for the front sensor and C2P8247 for the rear sensor. The hood switch tells the alarm system when the hood is properly closed. A faulty switch can cause continuous false alarms. Testing requires a multimeter to check continuity. Set your multimeter to continuity mode and test the switch circuit. The switch should show continuity when pressed and open circuit when released. Also, verify proper alignment with the hood latch mechanism. If the hood switch is faulty, replace it using part number C2P2595. This is typically a straightforward replacement that involves disconnecting the old switch and installing the new one in the same location. The alarm siren contains a backup battery that can fail after many years, causing continuous chirping or false alarms. The siren unit is typically located in the engine bay or wheel well area. The replacement procedure involves several safety steps. First, disconnect the main vehicle battery, then locate and remove the siren unit. The internal battery is typically either 12-volt lithium or nickel metal hydride type. The replacement steps are critical for safety and proper function. Always disconnect the main battery first, then carefully remove the siren unit. Some units have integrated batteries requiring complete replacement, while others allow battery-only replacement. After replacing any component, you must reset the alarm system using a diagnostic scanner. This ensures the system recognizes the new parts and functions properly without false alarms. Use a professional diagnostic scanner capable of reading Jaguar-specific codes. Connect the scanner, navigate to the alarm system menu, and perform a complete system reset. This final step ensures all components communicate properly and eliminates any stored error codes. These repair procedures address the most common alarm issues in the 2009 Jaguar XF. Following these steps systematically will resolve the majority of false alarm problems and restore proper security system operation.